Brian Dumkerger, and I'm the principal here at North High School. We have an all-school assembly coming up, and I want to take a moment to share the expectations we have for all school assemblies. We will start out in homeroom, where your teacher will record attendance. They will make sure you are all ready, and the group will walk to the gym together. For whole school assemblies, we will have the gym divided into quadrants, or 4 areas. Each of those areas is for a designated grade level. Your advisory teacher will walk you to the appropriate area of the gym for your grade level. Once there, they will get you into the bleachers and to your homeroom's designated spot. That is where you will sit throughout the assembly unless otherwise directed by an adult. All students are expected to be in the assembly area. During the assembly, our behavior expectations may change based on the type of assembly. For example, if there's a whole school assembly where we have a guest speaker presenting stories or information, we expect everyone to remain quiet, listen to the speaker, stay off your phones, and applaud at appropriate times. The adults in the room will model and lead these behaviors. If the all-school assembly is a pep rally style assembly, it may look different. The expectations of listening to the speaker would be the same. We would expect people to stay off their phones unless recording a video or taking a picture of the event for your records or social media. Applauding may look different as well. During pep rallies, our select student performances, it is appropriate to cheer, stand, and applaud during the presentation. Again, adults will model this behavior, and we ask that students watch them and follow their lead. Once the assembly is complete, we will have 2 dismissal protocols. Students will be either dismissed back to their homerooms or they will be dismissed to their next period class. The adult leading the event will direct everyone with that information. When dismissed, regardless of our next destination, you will follow the lead of adults. We will dismiss 1 grade level section at a time. The purpose of dismissing by grade is to reduce the mass amounts of people in the halls and stairwells. When directed to dismiss, we expect you to walk out of the rows and down the steps. For everyone's safety, we need students, all people, to use the steps and not to walk down the blue seated areas. Once on the main floor, students should follow the adults out of the gym area. We have a large student population. When we hold assemblies in the gym, we have a lot of people in the space. Being mindful of others and their personal space, being respectful of those around you and those performing, and listening to the direction of any adult, whether you know them or not, will ensure successful assemblies. Thank you for meeting these expectations and doing what you can to ensure our school is a safe and supportive space for all students. We do this by continually acting like stars. We are successful when we are trustworthy, accountable for our actions and choices, and respectful of each other, and supportive of the needs of all. Thank you.